Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Credia Layer token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Credia Layer is an AI-powered intelligence infrastructure built on BNB chain. It transforms on-chain data, market narratives, and social settlement into actionable insights for traders and ecosystems. The platform provides real-time analytics, narrative heat maps, and AI-driven trading signals to help users understand market dynamics and act faster. The ecosystem integrates multiple AI modules, including data aggregation and predictive analysis and sentiment modeling, all designed to empower decentralized intelligence across Web3 by combining blockchain transparency with machine learning. Credia Layer enables users to access smarter, data-driven decision support without centralized intermediaries. Developed by a globally distributed team of AI and blockchain professionals, Credia Layer represents the next evolution of decentralized analytics, bridging the gap between data and understanding across the BNB ecosystem. Credia Layer project institution rating is 3.2. Credia Layer token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 138.48 million CRED token. CRED token is listed on mexxt.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.